Hello, this is Ricky. I just want to give a quick video for my virtual hackathon project. And we are the ODT team, and the team consists of myself. I'm a field service engineer, as well as Derek. He's a developer. And our project is called PyOptics. And this is for Virtual Hackathon 2017. Here is the agenda. First, I will talk about the goal for this project. Then we'll explain the feature that was being built. After that, I'll show a demo. And then we'll discuss about our future plan of what we wanted to build after the hackathon. The goal for this project is to allow Pi users to quickly view a summary of the Pi system. We want to provide transparency to the users of what is happening so that they get a better experience with the Pi system. Let's talk about the features. There are three of the features that has been built in this project, and they are the first one is the audit bad tags. The second one is monitor the Pi interfaces. The third one is machine learning. Let's dive into detail about them. The first feature I wanted to introduce is the bad tag tracker. It counts the number of bad tags in the Pi server as well as the total number of tags in the Pi server. This will allow the users to be aware of their data integrity based on the number of bad tag they have. Currently, only administrators are able to see this through the Pi system management tool, but this feature allows any users without administrator right to see their data integrity anywhere, anytime. The next feature I wanted to introduce is the Pi interface monitor. It is essentially an easier way for any Pi users without administrator right to detect failure of the Pi interface that they are interested. Any users are now able to view the status of their Pi interface, and maybe they will notify their Pi administrator when there is a problem. The last function I wanted to introduce is the upload function. It works with the OSIsoft diagnostic tool, which is available in the Tech Support Download Center through the OSIsoft website. It collects machine information including versions, configuration, and much more. We have built this channel for the administrator to upload their result XML file machine information into the AF server. This allows asset management in a central location. As you can see on the right, once all the machine information has been gathered, the benefit for this feature is to allow users to do reporting, asset management, and much more because all the information is in one place, which is in the AF server. Let's jump into our demo. Let's log into the Pi Vision website, and I'm going to type the administrator account. And I'm going to press New Display. As you can see on the left, we have three tabs. They are our project for this hackathon. First function is the bad tag tracker. It tracks the bad and stale tag in the Pi server so that users are aware their data is up to date. It counts the total number of bad and stale tag within the Pi server as well as the total number of tags in the Pi server. If it didn't get an update in the last 4 hours, it is considered as a bad tag. Next, we have the Pi interface monitor. It monitors all the Pi interface health status. It is essentially a cheaper way to detect failure of the Pi interfaces. Looking at the tab right now here, it said no Pi interface detected. It is because configuration has to be done first. Let's open up ICU. Pi interface configuration tool. Interface configuration utility tool. And in there, we have couple local interface for demo. First, the Pi performance equation scheduler interface. And all we need to do is to create device status tag for each of the interfaces. Let's do it. So I'm going to create device status tag on each interface. You can do that on other interfaces. Do not need to be those three interfaces. So once all these tags were created, we are going to make sure the PyWeb API search crawler has included the tag. Right now, the tag is 690. Once it is 693, that means we have the search crawler has included the tag. We're going to wait. The search function has included the three tags. Now let's go back to the PyVision and see if we can detect the interface by just hitting a refresh. Then you are seeing all the status of each of the Pi interface that has the device status tag created. So the prerequisite is to create those device status tag. Finally, I want to show how this upload function works with the OSIsoft diagnostic tool. First, we need to download the tool on the server. And we need to log in to the technical support download center from OSIsoft. And then press download. This is the tool, OSIsoft diagnostic tool package. And once this is in the machine, since it is a zip file, we just need to extract it and run the executable. And we'll press agree and OK. Since this license is a temporary license, we do not have a Pi server number. And I'm going to press the demo as a Pi server number and press continue. And then after pressing continue, it will run the tool and extract all the configuration as well as version information from this machine. So this is completed, and when I check and see, it has included an XML file, and this is the result XML file that gets generated from the ODT tool. Now I'm going back to the PyVision, and before I upload my XML file to the AF server, I am going to press F12, and this will allow me to see the progress of my upload. So I'm going to right now select my file, which is located in the download, and that was what I have generated, and press open, and then machine information will begin to upload to the AF server. Once once the upload has been completed, we can go to Pi System Explorer to check the information of what we have uploaded. And our and our server is Pi SRV01, and after that, we see this information in the AF server, and from there it keep the configuration information as well as the version information. The other thing I wanted to point out is once the information get into the AF server already, we can go to the search corollary administration page and add the database that we just upload. So AF and pi srv01 slash should be slash pi srv01 dot pi school dot in and save. This way you will be able to see the uploaded information from the Pi Vision. Okay, we just get a check mark on this newly created AF database with the Pi SRV01 machine information that we just uploaded. Let's go back to the Pi Vision and go to the asset. And we are going, since the AF database does not exist here, we are going to do a refresh. And let's close this and do a refresh. After that, we should be able to see the AF database. And we can see the machine information, and it could be available for display in the Pi Vision. Imagine you have run the OSIsoft diagnostic tool on many of the machines, and you have uploaded many of the XML file onto the Pi Vision. The long-term benefit is that you have a central location for storing all the Pi machine asset information. Then, with the information, you can start doing reporting on your Pi system infrastructure and some machine learning. This wraps up our demo. I'm going to close the demo VM and bring back up the slide. To extend what we have built, since the machine information can now be uploaded to the AF server, our future plan is to create a custom symbol to give a high-level summary of the machine in Pi Vision. The symbol would look like this, with like a few KPI, as well as the role of the machine and the machine name. And we also want to display the correlation between machine so that we can form an architecture diagram in Pi Vision so that we can save it as a display. And thank you very much for listening to this presentation. And we are ODT team. Thank you.